Hey everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off live captions on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app. Go to the Accessibility settings. Here, find the live captions option. Once you find it, tap on it. Finally, tap on the toggle switch right next to live captions option to turn it off. And this is how you can turn off live captions on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.